Hello and welcome to Space Empire Management with Notagreatgamer. Welcome to the Serene Republic of Venice. My name is Ben and I'm Notagreatgamer, and this is Stellaris. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of management here for just a little bit. You, Second Fleet, actually, hang on. Yeah, Second Fleet, come on over. Rano, what are you doing? Rano is building a bunch of Disruptor Corvette class. Yes, that's right. Okay, good. Oh man, so many things to upgrade here. Except that nobody's really that happy. Why is nobody that happy? I think we need a governor. I think we can actually recruit a governor. What are we gonna do? Science output? Probably. Might as well. Right? Right. I mean, we do have science on this planet, right? Wait, right? I think we do. Looks like it. Okay, cool. Yeah, sure. So let's, and also I think this makes people happier. So happiness +4. Excellent. Okay, so people here in Murano are 65%. That's something, I guess. These fanatic Xenophiles, though, man. Get back in line. Don't be so fanatic, alright? They're just aliens. They're cool. Like, don't get me wrong, they're cool, but they're not that cool. So this guy is going to migrate to Corfu. There's so much migration across my empire, it's just kind of crazy at this point. But what are you going to do? Other than probably upgrade a couple... Let's just sort of upgrade a couple things here. Let's upgrade a mining network. And then over in Corfu, let's upgrade... Oh yeah, this guy's migrating to Zara, which is fine. And we have a Hyperspace. Now, he's a fanatic collectivist, which I'd never seen this before, but from neighbors, +11. He likes having neighbors, I guess. Who knew? Let's not upgrade anything there because we don't have the food. Yeah. Venezia, what do you got? Let's upgrade some stuff. Oh. Never mind. Just kidding, Venezia. I don't want to upgrade anything. Actually, that's good that they're already upgraded. Corfu, Lepanto. Migrating to Corfu. Okay. Everybody's just moving to everywhere else. It's fun that way. There's a lot of science here. I don't need science that bad. How are we doing on food? 0 food. You know what? Clear this tile. We cannot afford to clear this tile. Oh, never mind. What? Okay, the Koreans are our rival now. Or was I? Lepanto, yes. Scientist Nicolo Anafesto has leveled up. Excellent. Excellent work. So yeah, we're just in
construction complete.
Management mode here. Complete. And science ship. Oh, Galilei, what are you doing? You're over there. Okay. Do we just want to send you around here? I think we do. Just, you know what? I think it's just gonna have to happen. Unless we send you up to... Because he's got that pillow. He's a level 5 and he's got the pillow. And he's what? 57? Now let's get a couple of these finished off. Do that. And then do this. Failure risk 5%. It's kind of funny. And then we'll have you do the rest of this. So I think more important than anything else, we need to figure out what's in here so that we can start settling it. That is the thing. As far as what our science ships are doing, there is a faction, the Corfu First League. It's got one it's got one person. They don't care. The
construction complete.
What are they called? The Iroquois and the Koreans just got rivalry. Yeah, that happens. Okay, and who? Where's the inactive building? What is it? Spalato? Yeah, that's what I thought. You should be there. Oh yeah, 5 food. Oh yeah. Fun times. And then move him there. Okay, cool.
Special project
okay. Sneerins are large burrowing creatures, something. We have yet another specimen and 250 society research. Excellent. And now, Cassini. Are you bored? Because I think you're bored. What say you? Come over here and survey this system. Just get it done. It's in our territory. Just finish it off. Ooh, some more research to be had over here in Mink.
Construction complete.
What do we got? Unemployment. Oh, hey, what? We have a Russian. We have a Russian unemployed person. We have several unemployed Russians on Corfu. Whoa. Interesting. Hang on. Spaceport. Build. Colony ship. We have a lot of interesting folks that we could throw on our colony ship. Collectivists, fanatic pacifists. So here's the thing. These guys are resilient. Oh, they're quick learners. That actually gives them leader experience gain. And so what we're going to do is soon, very soon, we're going to allow, well, as soon as we can, as soon as we get the tech. Oh, no, okay. As soon as we get the tech, we are going to allow leadership for Xenos. And that's going to be really good. We're going to start getting talented people and quick leaders and stuff like that. Interesting. Or not quick, quick learners. Interesting. So collectivist, pacifist, materialist. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. At least they're not the xenophobes, right? They're actually relatively happy. That is a lot of unemployed. Nomadic. Resilient. Garrison health. That could actually be really good. I don't have any armies of any kind, really. In most places. Okay, so what are we going to be doing here? First things first, let's stick you there. Let's build. No, not there. Unemployed person. Spiritualist regime. You don't like that we're spiritualist and you're not. Okay, that makes sense. And they're solitary anyway. These guys, these Russians are going to be hard to keep nice and occupied. Or nice and happy. How come there's no adjacency effect down here on this Russian dude? Oh. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? You know what I'm going to build here? Ooh, the Hyper Entertainment Forum. I think we're going to make people happy here. We require planetary capital. Let's do that first. Let's do that absolutely first. And then we'll come back to this. That's a lot of unemployed people. Let's start with that, and then we'll build up a Hyper Entertainment capital. Hyper Entertainment Forum. We'll have the minerals by then. Don't worry. And then yeah, we'll see what we can do. Make these people happy. Also, their cap. They'll never be happier than 60. That's right. Okay, so I don't want to worry too much about the Russian folks. But we do want to settle... Okay, that's what's going on. Okay, so... Also, the Russians will never be happier than 60. Or in this case, max happiness 65, because there's got to be a... What is this? No, not a physics lab. What is it called? The food thing. Yeah, the Frontier Clinic. Yeah, okay. Max happiness 85. So, I probably don't want to invest too much in these guys because they're just gonna migrate again. Because we're gonna make a, you know what? Let's make a colony ship before too long here. Get on up to Zerbeer. Give them a place to go.
System survey complete.
What do we got? Gila system. Excellent. And we can build another mining station. Excellent. Too good.
Construction complete.
What do we got? Starvation. Oh, Corfu. Oh, right, because, like, everybody showed up there. Oh, you morons. You, grow food. You, grow food. Ugh, maybe not there. Yeah, grow food. Ah. Because a bunch of people showed up and we didn't have the, infrastructure to actually feed them. Hey, I know what. You, sit there. Oh, we're at 0 now. Okay, that's fine. 0 is better than negative, like, whatever. System surveyed. Okay, good. Oh, yeah. Just watch my little ships move around. And then, third fleet. You've finished construction. Yeah, you are. Third fleet, come on down to here. And not the construction ship. There we go. Merge up. There's some interesting areas over here, by the way. I noticed this right there. Ajax, we should really get a ship over here. It's got an ocean world. Not a bad ocean world. And then Betharian stone, Garanthium ore, 10 minerals. Yeah, I mean it'll almost certainly end up in a sector. There's not that much reason for me to have these things, but at least they'll be able to do their own Betharian stone stuff. And Garanthium. I really don't like that you can't import and export strategic resources to and from sectors. It's really kind of dumb. You'd think we could figure that out, but... Oh, and then here's the thing about Gillis. So I don't know if that's what... Yeah, okay, about Lido. Lido has these lovely little Karabnars. They're fun. They're cute. They're everything we ever wanted in... I don't know. They're not really that great. But they're going to be our new little pals. They look a lot like our old little pals, actually, which is kind of funny. But we don't have the tech to do anything with them yet. That's the situation. We don't have the tech. They, yeah, we need the thing that gives uplift, and we're 9 months before we might even see that again. So I haven't seen that tech yet, but we have the precursor for it, or the prerequisite for it. So, Xeno researchers on Lido have published an open letter demanding that the local legislation restricting experiments on near-sentient alien species be relaxed. They make a convincing case for the scientific benefits and warn that the output of the entire scientific community on Lido will suffer unless the laws are revised. The ethics of it all remain questionable. Okay, so what is this? Lido, you see, either ignore the pompous Poindexter... I can't even say it. Ignore the pompous Poindexters. So unproductive without experiments modifier added for 24 months, giving the following effects. Society output minus 20. Is that... Or minus 20%. Is that on everywhere? Okay. Or we will accede to their demands. And hopefully this is the only thing it says, which is, the locals will not be happy about this. Society research gained 250. Unhappy with experiments modifier added for 24 months, giving the following effects. Happiness minus 15%. For 24 months, we're not even going to have the tech that allows us to do anything with them. And do they even have a happiness? They don't even have a happiness. They have negative ethics divergence, though. That's nuts. Oops. That's amazing. I think we accede to their demands. No, we make it... Oh, no. That's negative...
Incoming transmission. Debris.
It's negative 15 happiness on the population. Oh, locals as in... Right. Okay. Locals as in people. Our people there. Crystal forged plating. Ooh, plus 20% progress. I've heard that crystal forged plating is the way to go. I'll have to look into that a little bit. The diplomatic proposal. You want a research agreement? Is this gonna get me into trouble with my folks? I may take it. This is the Aztec Empire. The Aztec Empire wants mutual research agreement. Give me a sec. Let's take a look at this. So people, plus 260, plus 201, plus 246. I'm gonna accept. Plus 260, plus 201, plus 246. We'll watch and see if that changes. And negative balance. Why are we losing money? I have no idea. That's kind of new. Probably we upgraded some stuff. Yeah, we don't have any. Every once in a while, just to be sure, I make sure that we don't have any colony ships that I didn't previously know about. Huh? Negative money. Okay. Don't know exactly why. Unless everybody got unhappy from that. Did everybody go unhappy from that? No. No, they're fine. Okay. Why are you angry? Who are you? You're angry. Oh, he's a xenophobe for one. Xenophobia. Oh, he's really unhappy because all these Russians showed up. And this Han Falir dude, he's just like, he's pissed off. Because he's a xenophobe. Yeah, minus 15%. His ethics divergence are 7%. He's going to migrate to some place that doesn't have xenos on it, I think. Which should make him happier. And then, actually, hang on, Zara. How is your ethics divergence? Maybe we can convince him that he should, oh, it's, yeah, positive. I have an idea. Can I give you an edicts? Propaganda broadcasts? No, it's re-education campaigns. Do I do it? I think maybe. Ooh, that's a lot though. We only have so much. I don't know about that. We just let him be a xenophobe. Whatever. Not that big a deal. Now, why are we losing money? Oh, I know why. We just finished a bunch of spaceports. That's why. Corfu, you have a spaceport, right? Oh, with an observatory. Right. I have an idea. Why don't you level up? Spaceport upgrade. Level 3 upgrade. Excellent. Lepanto. Why don't you have a solar panel network? Naxos. Why don't you get a solar panel network too? And Spalato. Yes, solar panel networks all around. That explains it. We just got a crap ton of, what are they called? Of, spaceports, and so they're costing us real money. Okay. An abandoned life pod was detected in close orbit around Codria 3. It is covered in scorch marks, presumably from when the pod's mothership exploded. Approximately 5,000 years old. Aww. The crew of the Calliope managed to open the pod, revealing the withered remains of a reptilian alien clad in resplendent uniform. Clutched in one of its claws was a small picture of another individual from the same race, possibly a mate or revered leader. I wonder what, that's only plus 150 research, but I wonder what that's referencing. Probably something.
Debris analyzed. Construction complete.
More crystal-infused plating. Excellent. Oh, crystal-forged plating. So good. Lido has finished surface construction. Hey, Lido. Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna ignore Lido for a little bit.
Research complete.
Research complete! Yes! What do we got? Yes, Galactic Stock Exchange. That's a rare tech. Very good. Very, 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 very good. Now we gotta build it in the right spot. Leadership Xenos allowed. I think that's where we're gonna go. And it's pretty quick too. Naval capacity plus 10%. That's not an issue for us. And it keeps coming up. It's fine. Leadership Xenos allowed. Let's do it. 18 months. Not bad. Yeah, still with the unemployed pops. Oh my goodness. But we have the resources to build stuff. So let's do that. You're building something there. Why don't you have basic science lab? Yeah. It said it's gonna cost money. I know it will. It's fine. You get a... Okay, that went away. Good. You get a science lab too, just because. You get a mine. Nope, don't do that. Sorry, mining network. There we are. Okay, yeah. Alright. Now, we have to look at... I want to look at something about Venezia. Oh, first off, we can upgrade this building. We can upgrade several buildings here. Nice. Power plant 2. Let's go. And several science buildings as well. Let me take a look at something here. What happens if I go replace, and then I go... Not Frontier Clinic. Not Hyper Entertainment. Galactic Stock Exchange. So what does that do? It actually takes 2 energy maintenance. I'm really going to build this here. I think... Empire Unique. Yeah. Where am I going to build that instead? Someplace with a lot of pop and not a lot going on. I'm looking at you. Corfu. Unless, hey Murano, what are you looking like? Yeah, you have a lot of pop. What happens if I decide to build that? What does it tell me? Requires requires Empire Capital Complex. So I have to build that actually on my... Okay, I have to build that on my capital. That's too bad. Oh well. Well, we're gonna stick it. The ultimate question, alright? Where are we gonna stick it? How are we doing on food? +5 food? Base 1. I don't want to get rid of a food tile that has a base food, but maybe I do. Maybe I just do that. Replace. Galactic Stock Exchange. This will get rid of 1 food. That's fine. I mean, it'll get rid of 3 food. But yes, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty jazzed about that. Let's get it. Negative balance. That'll go away. Science ships, do your thing. Oh wow. Yeah, look at that. Look at the system.
Debris analyzed.
It's not bad at all. Hang on. Democratic Valmenax administration has declared war on the hierarchy of Orax. That's stuff on the other side of the... someplace. Oh, it's over here. Yeah, these guys. Yeah, we all knew that was going to happen. Now, I believe these guys are in an alliance. Right? Yeah, so Ulm is at war. Ulm is at war, guys. Ulm is at war! No! Hey, are the British at war? They must be at peace. No, they're still not at war. What is the deal? What is going on? You guys are still cordial. Your threat's going down. Grant civilian access. Trade. Research treaty. I don't know how to get you guys friendly. I just don't. I want the Habsburgs in our little pile. I just do. They may join. They may join. What do we got? Our trade deal with the big blue blob has timed out. Okay. Well, big blue blob, what do you got? Offer trade deal. Anything fun? No, I think the research agreement is still on. Let's go with the migration access, actually. Make it nice and long. Yeah. I don't know what this will do for us, but there you go. Oh, and you guys, offer trade deal. Do we have migration access? They don't want to do it. They don't want my silly people joining. The Teutonic Order. Or do we already have migration access? We must, because we got a bunch of their folks in our territory. Okay, so we have minerals. Let's see what our first fleet looks like. Bunch of disruptors, bunch of lasers, a few torpedo boats. Let's get a few more laser destroyers. Hey Murano, do you have the spaceport thing that I think you do? I bet you do. Yes, you do. Let's get a couple more laser destroyers. Oh yeah. And then I think that's gonna have to be it. Oh Murano, how's your surface looking? Ooh, you need work. Oh, you need work. You got decent minerals going on. How's your food? +1 food, that's fine. Yeah, I think we go... Let's go for minerals on this planet. And we don't have any more, we don't have any more resources. So let's end there. We're now getting 137 minerals per month. That negative energy balance, that's gonna go away. Don't you worry. And, yeah, we're just working on... What tech did we pick up? Yes, leadership Xenos allowed. I'm actually pretty jazzed about that. We'll be able to pull in some Russians and some Hyperspace. We'll have some interesting folks. In our empire doing leadership stuff. It'll be great. It'll be great. Oh, we actually have a... Oh. Leonardo Candiano is not doing anything. He's 81. We might just, Oh, hang on. Might just fire him. The hard part is we actually have a genius commanding Cassini. It doesn't really do any good, but... Yeah, look at Corfu. Look at that. Look at Corfu. 6 Russians, 2 Hyperspace, and 12 Venetians. Now, they're not all happy with each other. In fact, we have a xenophobe. Corfu, where are you? Corfu. Yeah, he's leaving. He's like, I hate you guys. I'm gonna go someplace all we got is Venetians. Yeah. Well, what are you gonna do, right? In fact, even this guy, even this Hyperspace is happier. He is a recently conquered subject, and he's like, you know what? It's not that bad. But it's not that bad in another episode, which is a terrible transition, but that's what I'm gonna do. We're doing pretty well, I think. No, we're actually kind of pathetic when it comes to, say, let's look at fleets here. Their fleet power is inferior. We could actually take on Castile. That would be fun. That would be fun, but it'll be fun in another episode. See, that was a better transition right there. Until then, I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do look forward to seeing you next time.